Hey, what's going on, ladies and gents? In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Drink2Shrink recipe, the Drink2Shrink ingredients. I'm going to give you just a small insight on what the Drink2Shrink formula is and what's inside it. So if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit subscribe, click that bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more Drink2Shrink videos like this one right here. So let's dive right into it. Drink2Shrink recipe, Drink2Shrink ingredients. What's in it? That's what you want to know, right? So let's dive right into this. So chances are you're just like me, you stumble across the Drink2Shrink by Facebook, or you probably seen someone out on the street distributing the Drink2Shrink formula and you want to know if it was safe. Well, absolutely it's safe, but always consult with your doctor if you're nursing, you're pregnant, or you have other illnesses that require you to take medications that may not mix well with the Drink2Shrink formula and the ingredients that's inside it. You always want to consult with your doctor on that. So let's just go over the ingredients. The ingredients are 100% organic, safe, natural, and edible. I put together a list of all the ingredients that are inside the Drink2Shrink formula. So the holly thistle is used for loss of appetite and indigestion and to treat colds, cough, cancer, fever, bacteria infections, and diarrhea. The persimmon leaves promotes a healthy metabolism, rooting aids and softening the blood choline tube, which prevents that big word right there that always give me trouble that I can't pronounce. Flavonoids aid in lowering blood pressure and increase blood flow. So I've heard claims, and I've also saw claims online about people taking the Drink2Shrink formula and it helping them with their blood pressure. It helps lower their blood pressure. It also helps regulate people that have insulin issues with diabetes and things of that nature. So malva leaves. Mallow is used for irritation of the mouth and throat, dry cough, and bronchitis. It is also used for stomach and bladder complaints. So for those of you that are looking to purchase the Drink2Shrink formula, you can click the link below in the description. You can go to my website. If you're local in the Dallas area, you can pick it up from me. If you're not, then I can ship it out to you, not pre-made. But if you want it pre-made, you can just request it pre-made and I can get that out to you. So it's $25 for 1 gallon. All right, so my website is drink2shrink.co. That information is going to be in the description. So marshmallow leaves is used for pain and swelling, inflammation of the mucous membranes that line the respiratory tract. They are also used for dry cough, inflammation of the lining of the stomach, diarrhea, stomach ulcers, constipation, urinary tract inflammation, and stones in the urinary tract. We got blessed thistle. Today, blessed thistle is prepared as a tea and used for loss of appetite and indigestion and to treat colds, cough, fever, bacteria infections, and diarrhea. We got papaya. It's loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation, fight disease, and help keep you looking young. We got ginger. Benefits of ginger include soothing an upset stomach, helping with menstrual cramps, and contributing to weight loss. So ginger is very powerful often here. It contributes to weight loss. So as you see, the claim that we say, which is true, lose 5 pounds in 5 days. Also, if you want to lose these 5 pounds in 5 days, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the Drink2Shrink approved food list so you can abide by this food list. And if you're on the formula right now, you're consuming some of the things that you're not supposed to, then that's going to be one of the reasons why you're not losing the weight that you really wanted to lose. So we got this chamomile, I believe that's how you say it, chamomile. Y'all can laugh at me all day. I can't pronounce it, but I tried, right? It's loaded with antioxidants that may play a role in lowering your risk of several diseases, including heart disease and cancers. Has properties that may aid sleep and digestion as well. Marif, I don't know if I said that right either, but I tried. It's a powerful antioxidant, may kill off some parasites, combats pain and swelling. So that's very powerful as well because the lower intestine with the waste that's inside that you haven't released yet is very parasitic. So by consuming the Drink2Shrink formula, you can get rid of all the unwanted waste that's sitting in your belly and that has you feeling bloated, has you feeling fatigued. You can get rid of that just by taking 2 to 3 cups a day, 4 to 8 ounces a day. All right, so here's the approved food list that I was telling you about. I know some of you are going to be mad at me because you're not going to be having those fried chickens, those cookies, cakes, those pies, all that sugar. You're not going to be able to consume all those things while taking the Drink2Shrink formula because basically you're doing a cleanse. And while you're doing this cleanse, you don't want to be putting a lot of junk back into your body, clogging your system back up and making it to where you're not regular anymore. So here's what you can do from Sunday to Saturday. You can avoid the sugar cakes, pies, cookies, fried foods, alcohol, rice, potatoes. You can do some intermittent fasting, which is very good for you as well, along with meditating. Last meal 8 p.m., bedtime by 11 p.m., sleep. You see the ZZZ right there, right? First meal at 10 a.m. Here's some spices that you can have. Use sugar-free and low-sodium spices. Use stevia as sweeteners. Water intake, drink 6 to 16.9 ounce bottles of water daily. Here's the protocol guidelines: 1,200 calories and no more than 20 to 50 milligrams of carbs per day. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Drink formula 2 hours before or after meals. You got the almonds, walnuts. You got the nuts and oils here. That's that section. You got the veggie section. These are all the veggies that you can have. You got the fruit section, all the fruits that you can have. You got the meat section right here. I know you guys were wondering, like, where the meat at for all the meat lovers out there like myself. Chicken, turkey, eggs, bacon, salmon, fish, crab, bison, lamb, shrimps. Here's the dairy that you can have: Greek yogurt, soft and hard cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, mayonnaise, cottage cheese. So you get the picture there. That's our approved Drink to Shrink food list right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I gave you enough insight for you to go ahead and purchase the Drink to Shrink formula. If you're interested in becoming a distributor, go ahead and reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook information is right here, facebook.com. This is my Facebook page here. I'm going to go to it for you. Click on that, and you'll be able to see my mug up here in a few minutes here, as soon as it loads up. So you'll be able to see my mug. The links are going to be in the description. You can click that. You can visit my website and have a look over my personal Facebook page. You can message me and let me know you saw my video on YouTube. Let me know that you want to purchase the Drink to Shrink formula. You can visit my website to purchase the Drink to Shrink formula as well. It's going to be below in the description. I can mail it out to you if you're not local in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I can send you the formula, and I can send you the instructions on how to create it. I'm also going to give you a couple of free goodies off inside the bag as well. A free Drink to Shrink cup. And I'm also going to give you a list of many ways, 9 different ways exactly how you can mix the formula up yourself as well. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side of money. Peace and blessings. Go ahead and click those links in the description right now. Go each and every way that you want to go. And I feel that this video was helpful. And if you feel that it was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, click that bell for notifications, so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. It's $1 Million Jason Carter signing out.